y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are looking like, what the frick is wrong with your hair, girlfriend? And guess what? I'm thinking the same thing. We are about to get this all the way together, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how I put in my clip-in extensions. I know we are quarantined right now and you don't have access to a hairstylist right now. Okay, but I'm gonna show you what you can do at home. It's super easy and it looks like you got, you know, a fresh sew-in, a fresh install or whatever. But you didn't. Girls, clip-ins, and that's all that I wear. I literally swear by clip-ins. I love them. I will wear them forever. So anyways, let's just get right into the freaking video. I'll leave in first, so I'm gonna use this one today. This is a nice and fresh one. I went to Target and got a new one. And for me, this is essential, so I had to go to Target to get one. And I am just going to run this through my hair. This is going to keep my hair really nice and moisturized, especially for this back portion of my hair. This is the most like trifling part of my hair. My hair shrinks up so short. That's okay. Isn't that a sign of healthy hair? Or did I just make that up? I probably just made that up. So I'm gonna run this through my hair. And you can see the curls coming in. Well, I don't know if you can see it. The light is so bright, I can barely see. We're gonna go in with my holy grail, my Maui Moisture. Just a little bit, because this stuff ain't cheap. And I'm just going to run this through. The LCO method really helps me kind of like retain moisture because that's what I lack. And then the next step, go to your kitchen, girl. Go to your kitchen and get you some oil. Today I'm using some grapeseed oil. I just put it in this candle top. And I'm gonna use this to kind of seal in the moisture in my hair. My hair loves grapeseed oil. And this is going to make that wash and go last longer, like the moisture. It won't be all dry and nasty. Okay, so here we go. The curls are popping, as you can see. And I haven't even used a brush in my hair yet. Just imagine if I ran this Denman brush through there. Girl. I like to start my clip-ins up higher so I won't have that gap. So I'm gonna start up to about here. And I'm just going to part my hair like so. And so next I'm gonna go ahead and take my wet line gel. But for me, if I put this on the roots, the clip-ins kind of tend to slide down. These are the curly clip-ins. This clip-in, we are going to put the combs through the hair and clip it in place. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna part our hair. You could put the clips lower on your head, but me personally, I don't like that gap look. If I have more clip-ins to use, more of the same texture, I would, so I can have a longer look, but I kind of want them to look more realistic, so I don't want them to be super duper long. Kenya, is that your real hair? Yeah, I totally went home. In 24 hours, I grew 16 inches of hair. Totally. Take some more gel. We're gonna run it through the hair. I mean, you could probably skip this part, the gel part, but for me, my hair gets so poofy. I want this style to last me at least 4 days, so I'm gonna use some gel. I'm gonna take the 5 comb clip, and I'm gonna hook it in and pop these bad boys in place. These are like so comfortable. I can literally sleep in these. But isn't it crazy, when I wear my straight clip-ins, they kind of hurt my head, and I cannot wear those to bed unless I put them up high like this. I don't know what it is, but it's much more comfortable to wear them up higher rather than lower. So just as a heads up, if you are going to purchase any clip-ins, be mindful of that. So I guess this is pretty self-explanatory now, so I'm gonna just speed this up, let y'all watch what I'm doing, okay? All right, we're almost there. So I just flip this part up so I can see what I'm working with. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put this one pretty high up because this is the last track I'm using on this side. I'm just gonna let that, I will blend this later. Open the clips. And I like to face this one going down so hair will be coming, hair will be like down in my face. If you know what I mean, like that, like straight. And then we will curve this like so. And just hook everything in like that. All right, now let's make sure everything's covered. So what you're gonna do next is we're gonna take the gel. Oh God, Misha's about to go up. Moo! Misha, come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Let it go. Come on. Come here. Come on. She hears the dog next door barking his head off, so she was triggered. Come on, you can say hi to the people. It's okay, Moo. It's okay, Moo. You gotta, come here. Come here. I love you, babies. Dude, this camera freaking keeps cutting off on me. I don't know what I was talking about previously or when it cut off, but I'm just blending my hair right now. Just kind of doing the shingling method so everything blends really nicely. We're gonna start on this side, doing the same thing. And I don't really want to put too much on the actual clip-ins. I mean, only on the top of the clip-ins, like the top portion, not so much down here, because I don't want to wait all day for it to dry. So I'm just focusing on the top part of my hair where it matters. Make sure you feel for it. Make sure you don't be walking outside and your tracks are exposed, because that's not freaking cute. You can just kind of feel for it. It feels like it might be something showing here. Take a brush and make sure. Dude, my hair, my nails, I need to get my nails done. It's snagging. Sometimes I take a little brush just to smooth the hair. I know you're like, no, don't brush it. But don't worry, boo. It springs right back. Let me see. Okay, we gotta work right here. That's not gonna fly. So normally for my edges, the only thing that works is my Got To Be glue gel. I use the one in the yellow, but I don't know what happened to it. I lost it. So unless it's over here. Nope, I lost it. So I have to go get a new one at some point. So I have to just use the wet line. The wet line, I mean, doesn't really keep my hair down that much. When I use the glue gel, the Got To Be, whoo, I could jump in a freaking river, come out, and my edges will still be laid. So I'm just about to lay my edges and I'll be right back because that's kind of boring. I don't want to see that. All right, I'm back. This is how it looks. Pretty. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and I will see all you guys, all my beautiful friends, in my very next upload. Deuces, y'all.